People, them a report the live. So I want to make sure so the message gets across clearly. My brother Jermaine Richards, him live at 33 Fleet Street. Him work at Ribby's Ultra Lounge Restaurant at Arden 79 Arden Road and Ardenite Plaza. He was killed this morning on the plaza in the parking lot by a police that station at Denham Town Police Station because some altercation happened in the kitchen from inside the restaurant. The boss was there and his counterpart was there, that station at Denham Town Police Station. They both were there, and he said that he wanted a search from Jermaine because he claimed say liquor missing or something like that. The counterpart asked my brother for walk up because I'm telling him to exit the kitchen. He might exit the kitchen, and him tell himself to walk up, he might walk too slow. In walking up, when him say I walk too slow, him use him gun. The man was stationed at Denham Town Police Station and boxed my brother with it. When him boxed my brother with it, he ending up that, him coming out, my brother coming out, and my brother videoing him. Videoing him, I suppose, saying that remember you box me with your gun, because at the end of the day, him having firearm and my brother unarmed. Him kick him down and shoot him and kill him. And I want to bring to light exactly what happened. Because Ribby work at Ribby's and him died on the compound in the parking lot. Why don't you never tell the family something? I want to go to the station and go make report on the door, make it be known him work up there. Oh God. Oh God. People, want to help me talk now, please. Want to just help me talk now, please. A police brutality, a wickedness. The man innocent. Him and a gunman. Him have 3 kids. Him is a fashion person. Him like clothes and like dress up. Oh God. Oh God. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. On a coal. On a coal. On a coal like ice. On a coal. On a coal, and then you not cook up a story. Why you not cook up a story? When the man dead pound the compound and the door come say something to the family member. Eh? When the door send something to no family member, and him information is up there with him next of kin, money expense, him baby mother is there as him next of kin. Why didn't you people call someone to let them know that he's deceased? We have to go search in the 14 parishes to find him up by UC in our body bag as an unknown male. His name is Jermaine Richards. I want to kill him innocently. I will not stop. We not stop. We not stop. Poverty now will whip we mentality this time. We're not stopping. We're not stop.